After months of sweat, hard work, and dedication, the moment the Earthquakes had spent the entire season working towards had arrived. The Earthquakes were finally at MLS Cup 2003. You could feel the tension in the air as the Chicago Fire and the Earthquakes prepared for their titanic struggle. Despite early offensive pressure from the Fire, the Earthquakes struck first on a wicked Ronnie Eklund free kick at the 5th minute. The goal tied the record for the fastest goal in MLS Cup history. San Jose added to their lead in the 38th minute on a goal by Landon Donovan, and the Earthquakes entered the halftime break with a 2-0 advantage. The game picked up intensity in the second half as Chicago's DeMarcus Beasley scored to close the gap to 2-1 in the 49th minute. Richard Mulrooney quickly countered to boost the San Jose lead to 3-1. But the Fire fought back again with a goal in the 54th minute to make it 3-2. On his way to sealing the championship game MVP, Landon Donovan would put the final nail in the Fire coffin with a goal in the 71st minute to give the Quakes a 4-2 lead and the cup. And then the celebration was on. Earthquakes general manager Johnny Moore accepted the MLS Cup trophy from Commissioner Don Garber and then passed it along to Quakes captain Jeff Agus, who accepted his league record 5th MLS Cup.
Always good. Always good. I only smoke these after championships. 5-0.
It feels, man. It feels great. It feels great.
After the celebration on the field, the Quakes and the Cup headed into the locker room, where the party continued. As he always does after a big win, assistant coach Dominic Kinnear led the cheers in the locker room.
Earthquakes! 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 Earthquakes!
Before the Quakes left the Home Depot Center, it was MLS Cup MVP Landon Donovan who summed up the day best.
It's a lot of heart, man. I'll tell you what, I wouldn't trade any of them for any of, no disrespect, but any of the best 11 that were out there last night at the Ocala Awards, I wouldn't trade any of these guys. Hearts of gold, man.
Okay, guys, as we exit the Depot Center, let's give them one last yell. Hello, let's say. Hello. Well done, lads.